Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about mechanical time clocks. This here is a Torque mechanical timer switch or time clock. It's got an on and off right here, and it's got a manual override, and it's got this. Now, basically, the way I have this wired up is I've got power coming in, power feeding out to a relay and a time delay switch, which I'll show you in a minute. But right now I've got it set to turn on at 7 o'clock and turn off at 9 o'clock. Now what I did is I manually overrid and turned it off so I could show you this video. But basically what I've got in here is I've got why won't this thing? I've got a relay in here, and alright, so you can see I've got a universal fan relay, 110 volt coil, and I've got 120 volt time delay relay. So when I flip that, see there's a delay between when I turn this and that relay kicks in. Coil, it sends it. That right there, I can change how long of a wait before it sends the signal to this coil to open this relay, open or close it. Well, I've got between 1 and 2 are normally closed. So basically, it's going to be a delay when it sends power on that orange wire. It's gonna switch it from that 2 to 3. Okay. So right now I've got it, and I switch this off, and it shuts it off. Now, let me show you something else. Now, I've got this timer. So basically, I can switch this load. This is basically just a 3-way switch, and I've got my common wire going to here is the blue, and I've got, instead of travelers, I've got one coming from this time clock, and I got the other one coming from here. This is another 3-way switch, but I'm only using one of the travelers. I got power, and I got a wire going, switch leg going to this timer. So when I hit this switch, watch. See, there was a delay there for a second. So now when I switch this timer on, I've got it on the normally closed. So it's going to normally open, and when it counts down, it will be normally closed. So I just give it a minute. See? So that relay just turned on, sending power to the receptacle, which feeds a light. But you can see I've got, when I turn that off, I'm switching it back onto the time clock control. So I can either control this outlet from this time clock, or I can control it from this timer. Now I eventually plan to add another box with some more controls in it, but I just wanted to show you that. Now, another thing about this is these little tabs or pins. these are what's set when it turns on or turns off. And this thing can be a little bit finicky or difficult to set up, because I can get within 5 minutes plus or minus whatever the actual time is. So like right now it is showing that it's 8 o'clock. It's probably 8:10, because each one of these little lines is 15 minutes. So it's hard to get exact in between or get it exact. But you could see I've got it set for 6 o'clock p.m. to turn on and shut off at 10 p.m. And then, I don't know what, 5:30, come on at 5:30 and shut off at 7 in the morning. 5:30 a.m. to 7 a.m. Now, I will do another video on this. I just wanted to show you that. So, hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe. Bye.